Hey guys, welcome to the Python series. In today's video we're going to look into what are relational operators. So relational operators compares the value. It either returns true or false according to the condition. Relational operators are binary operators because they need two operands to operate. So an expression which contains the relational operators is called relational expression because it checks and compares the two operands whether they're equal or greater than. This is the table for the relational operators. First we have the operator, then we have the description, then we have the example. The first operator is the equal to operator, which describes equal. So here in this example you can see that if x equal to y, then the boolean value would be true. The next we have the not equal to operator, which compares the left operand and the right operator. So hence here in this case x not equal to y, so here x and y are different values, so x and y are assigned with different values, so hence then you would get the output to be true. Now next we have the greater than operator, which checks if the left operand is greater than the right operand. The next we have the lesser than operator, which checks if the left operand is lesser than the right operand. The next operator is the less than or equal to operator, which checks whether the left operand is less than the right operand or it is equal to the right operand. The next we have the greater than equal to operator, which checks whether left operator is greater than the right operand and or whether it's equal to the right operand. Let's start with some of the examples for relational operators or alias comparison operators. So first let's take a variable a, and I'll assign it with 5. Next a variable b with equal to 2. Then I'll print say that a is less than b. So here it is false because a is greater than b. So in this case the boolean output would be false. So instead if we print a greater than b, we would get the output to be true. So by using the less than or greater than operator, we can check whether the left operand is less than the right operand or whether the left operand is greater than great operand by using the greater than symbol. So now let's check for the operator which is the less than or equal to. So let's print saying that a is less than or equal to b. So here a is neither less than b or it is not even equal to b. So in this case a is not a is greater than b and a is also not equal to b. So in this case the boolean output would be false. So when we try for b less than or equal to a, here we would get as true because b is less than a. So here in this case the boolean output would be true. So now let us take another variable c which is equal to 5 and let's check it out for print a is less than or equal to c. So here you can see that a and c have the same values, so hence they're equal. And let's check for print b less than or equal to c. So here also it's true because b is less than c, so hence b2 is less than 5. So in this case the boolean output would be true. So now let's check out the greater than equal to operator. So let's check if a is greater than equal to b. So yeah, it's true because 5 is greater than 2, hence the output would be true. And check if b is greater than equal to a. So here we would get the output as false because 2 can't be greater than 5. So now by using the equal to operator, we can check whether the left operand is actually equal to the right operand or they have the same values. Now by checking a equal to c, we can see that A is assigned with number 5 and C also with 5. So hence both of them are equal. So the output would be true. Now by using the not equal to operator, we can check that the left operand is not the same as the right operand. So by using the not equal to, we can say that. So here we can see that A is 5 and B is 2, so hence they are not equal. So by using this statement, we can get to know that print A not equal to B and the boolean output would be returning to be true.